factory rescue! Oh no! Whiskers and Momo were trapped in the factory by the mudslide. Here you come, construction fleet! Please rescue Whiskers and Momo! Don't worry, I will rescue them right away! Whiskers is pressed down by a big tree! Let's rescue him first. First, let's remove. Be careful not to let Whiskers get hit by the broken stones when you shovel the pile of stones. My task is completed, and I will leave the task of lifting the tree to the crane. I am the crane. Let's secure the big tree with a rope before lifting it. Construction fleet, thank you for saving me. You are welcome, Whiskers. We need to rescue Momo right away. Momo is trapped in the basement. Let's rescue her right away. The entrance to the basement has been blocked by a slate. Let's remove the slate first. The slate is too large. I need to change a drill bit to break the slate. Now, let's break the slate. And then change a bucket to remove the broken stones. The entrance is wide open. I will leave the rest of the task to the crane. I am the crane, and I can lift Momo out of the basement. Drag the equipment onto the lifting hook and drop it into the basement for Momo. Help Momo put on the equipment. Safety hat, gloves, safety harness. Don't worry, Momo, I will help you out right away. Okay, construction fleet, I can count on you. You are great, construction fleet. Here's a rescue badge for you to express our gratitude. Little Panda's quiz. Let's check out how much you know. Which construction truck can shovel stones? Crane, road roller, excavator. You are right. Next question. Which construction truck can carry materials? Dump truck, excavator, concrete mixer. That's not correct. You are right. Next question. Which construction truck can help mix concrete for paving the road? Bulldozer, concrete mixer, excavator. You are right. You've got it all correct. Great. Let's check out where the construction fleet is needed. Villa reconstruction. I live in a rundown house. I want to build a villa with swimming pool. Here you come, construction fleet. This is the task list for building the villa. I can count on you for the villa building. You can count on us. I am the excavator. Let me tear down the old house first. I need to change a hard drill bit. Let's start tearing down the house. Next, we're going to shovel the gravel. I need to change a bucket. Remove the stones to make room for building the new house. This is the dump truck of our fleet. It can carry the broken stones and waste away.
I am the concrete mixer. My task is to make concrete. The roof needs to be cast with concrete. Now let's start making concrete. Pour materials into the hopper first. Gravel. Sand. Cut open the cement bag with a scissor. Cut open the cement bag with a scissor. Water. The concrete is well mixed. Connect the pipes and get ready to pour concrete on the roof.
I am the crane, and I can lift heavy goods. Choose a tile and paste it onto the villa. Next, let's install the door and windows of the villa. Excavator, and I will complete the task of building the swimming pool. Let's dig a big pit first. Choose a tile and paste it onto the swimming pool. Turn the handle to fill the swimming pool with water. Next, let's start decorating the swimming pool. The task of building swimming pool is accomplished. That's awesome! Here's a construction badge for you as a reward. Keep going. Little Panda's quiz. Let's check out how much you know. Which construction truck can lift vehicles? Excavator. Crane. Bulldozer. You are right! Next question. Which construction truck is needed for digging when building a swimming pool? Crane. Excavator. Dump truck. You are right! Next question. Which of the following construction truck has a big bucket? Dump truck. Crane. Excavator. That's not correct. That's not correct. You are right! You've got it all correct. Great! Let's check out where the construction fleet is needed. Amusement park renovation. This amusement park has been abandoned for a long time. I want to renovate it. Wow! Here you come, construction fleet. I can count on you for amusement park renovation. No problem. You can count on us. I am the crane. Let's assemble the aquarium first. Let's secure the support first. building of aquarium is completed. I am the crane. Let's install the new cabins for the Ferris wheel. Install the cabins on the Ferris wheel. Yeah! The installation of Ferris wheel is completed. I am the crane, and I will also be in charge of repairing broken roller coaster. Let's assemble the tracks first. The installation of roller coaster tracks is completed. I am the bulldozer. Let me clean up the ground before inflating the castle. I am the lawn spreader. I'm good at laying lawn. Next, let's inflate the castle. Swipe up to connect the pump with the castle. Tap the button to inflate the castle. The bouncy castle is ready. Yeah, the construction of the amusement park is completed. I am quite satisfied with the renovated amusement park. Here's a badge for you as a reward. Woo!